All right, let's cut the crap. If you've ever said, I want to learn to code, and then found yourself 7 hours deep in YouTube tutorials, taking notes like you're prepping for an exam you'll never take, only to close your laptop and never open it again, you are not alone. Most beginners never make it past Hello World, not because they're dumb, but because the way we're told to learn is broken. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't learn coding by watching. You learn it by doing, by messing up, by Googling every error like your life depends on it, by making the dumbest projects you can think of and realizing halfway through that none of it works. And that's exactly where learning starts. You just learned about variables? Cool. Don't rewatch the video. Don't open a new playlist. Make something right now. Write a program that prints your name backwards or generates fake insults. It doesn't matter. What matters is you use it right now. Because every second you spend watching another tutorial instead of building something with your own hands, a second you're lying to yourself. And listen, don't build another calculator. We don't need more calculators. Build something ridiculous. A meme bot, a horror game with stick figures, an app that counts how many days you've ignored your gym subscription. You're going to feel lost. You'll open 42 Stack Overflow tabs, you'll forget a semicolon, and blame your ancestors. And that's the point. And yes, use tools. Use ChatGPT, use documentation, use forums. But don't be lazy about it. AI is a tutor, not a vending machine. If you're just copy-pasting stuff without knowing what it does, you're building a time bomb. And when it breaks, and it will, you'll have no idea how to fix it. Ask questions, read answers, break your code, fix it, break it again. Also, talk to other coders. Join a Discord, find a subreddit, roast each other's projects, ship weird little things, because the fastest way to get better is to not do this alone. And look, your early projects, they'll be garbage. They'll crash. They'll look like they were coded by a caffeinated squirrel. Good. That's what progress looks like. If you're not failing, you're not learning. And if you're waiting to feel ready, you'll wait forever. You become ready by starting. So, what's it going to be?